Welcome to Kids Cafe. Quarantine. Edition quarantine. Today we're making omelets.
So what have we done so far?
We've cracked 2 eggs and mixed it up.
Okay, so now what do we got to do? What is it?
We've got to flip it when it's ready.
Well, no. First we have to put the stuff in, right?
We have to put the stuff in.
Today, what are we using?
We're using cheese. What is that called?
Rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie chicken and spinach.
Okay, so.
So put it in.
So now what?
So now we put it in.
Okay,
and
so
we're
go ahead.
starting by cheese.
Yep, and just put it on 1/2. No. Look, you put it on 1. No, that's fine. But you want to make it to where we can flip it on itself, okay?
Okay.
Put all that chicken, sprinkle it on, hurry. Nope, inside. Keep it inside, okay?
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I love sprinkling cheese, but today it's raw chicken.
Okay, is that all the chicken?
Yep.
Okay, grab some spinach. Baby, it's okay. It's just wet. Here. Flip it on in there.
Sprinkle.
Hurry.
Three, 2, 1, go. I forgot what to say. Went ahead and filled it and flipped it.
I think it looks pretty good.
It looks pretty good, but what actually matters is that the taste, and it's right about done now. And I think it's going to taste delicious. Delicious.
Go.
I can't do it.
I'll help. Here. Hold on.
1, 2, 3, and go.
I already did.
From a little help from my daddy, he got it on the plate for me. He helped me. You can have any adult that you know to help you.
Look at the camera.
And we are going to have a little nibble. But first, we're going to add a little squirt of lemon juice on the thing, on the omelet. A little lemon juice makes everything taste better.
Okay, so go ahead, put a little on there if you want. Okay, is that enough?
A little on this.
I think that's it. That's probably good.
I want a little taste.
You just want to take a little sip of lemon juice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, let's see if you were right. It turned out delicious. Baby, use the side of the fork to cut it. Watch. Like that. Okay? Okay. How was it? Take a taste.
That is very good.
Okay.
I was actually right. And you can have a little sip if your mom and dad tell you can drink it. Very good. This is Jaina's Cafe. I hope that you have sent a picture down below. And bye.